Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed about poverty in India, and also we discussed about the reasons for the emergence of poverty in India. In this video, let's understand the strategy for poverty eradication. In that, first is Garibi Hatao. The strategy of Garibi Hatao, because India is a victim of poverty from last few decades. Garibi Hatao was launched along with the emphasis on the economic development because India is a developing country. It was expected that generation of employment will enhance or will increase income and thereby reduce poverty. However, the benefits of development did not percolate down and poor continues to remain poor because policy implementation somewhere is not up to the mark in India. The next strategy that India has adopted is strategy of Green Revolution. The strategy of Green Revolution gave boost to agriculture and increased agricultural production to a large extent. However, the Green Revolution entailed capital intensive technique of production. The rich farmers made capital investment and reaped the benefits of the green revolution because they can afford advanced technology in agricultural field. But the poor could not buy inputs such as fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides. They could not afford mechanization and water saving techniques of irrigation. The strategy of Green Revolution failed to reduce poverty. The disparity or the gap of income between rich and poor become more and more, and rich become richer and the poor remained where they were or became poorer. Next strategy for poverty eradication introduced by Government of India is land reforms. Economic development was slow and sluggish. The land reforms intended to reduce poverty in the rural segment were not properly implemented. Due to lack of proper implementation of land reforms, small and marginal farmers are not able to get the benefit of land reforms introduced by Government of India. Next strategy for poverty eradication is rapid industrialization. Rapid industrialization did take place, but it added to the wealth of the urban rich. The higher taxation on the high income groups and the heavy taxes on the luxurious goods had little impact on the income of the rich. Next strategy of poverty eradication is public distribution system. The government introduced public distribution system to provide essential commodities to the common people at subsidized or cheap price through fair price shops. This was intended to raise the standard of living of the poor. Next strategy of poverty eradication is encouragement of allied industries. The government encouraged the activities such as allied industries to agriculture, for example, dairy, forestry, pisciculture, to enhance the income and provide alternate sources of employment in the rural area so that rural poverty can be eradicated. Next strategy of poverty eradication is encouragement of small and cottage industries. Encouragement was given to the small and cottage industries to generate employment in the rural areas. Laws were enacted to provide protection to the small and cottage industries by reservation of production of certain goods. Arrangements were made to provide skill training to the unemployed young persons to enable them to undertake self-employment activities so that poverty to some extent can be eradicated. The strategy for poverty eradication that introduced by Government of India is Educational Awareness Program. Steps have been taken to spread education, provide health services, provide agricultural credit, build infrastructure facilities, provide agricultural inputs such as the quality seeds and fertilizers at subsidized rate. The government has started polytechnics and vocational training centers. The next strategy of poverty eradication is encouragement for women's self-help groups. Encouragement has given to women to form self-help groups and undertake self-employment activities so that poverty could be eradicated among the women. Next strategy of poverty eradication is social welfare activities. A number of social welfare activities were undertaken to improve the living standard of the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, and economically backward section of the society. So the condition of these groups can be improved and poverty of this group can be eradicated to some extent. Dear students, just go through the topic and revise the whole topic. And in next video, we will discuss about poverty alleviation program. Thank you.